I knocked once on the door, they whispered don't let him in. He be starting shit when them other ones be settling. When I heard this, I assumed they were nervous. Knocked the second time, read the sign out of service. A common mistake by an amateur. Next time I'm pulling my rank is straight damager. No doubt, it's positively lights out, cause C3 is the straight line. My third knock is the last time. Between love and hate, there's a thin line. Double O knock. The people on your block always fumble in the past when the thunder go pop. So I move with the right piece, no safety. Just release the scrap, don't the burner read no peace. You gotta show it if you know it. Hold it like the future street poet. Anti-heroic force. Make the wrong move, get tossed. Chose the floor, she laid no one feel remorse. Now I got all the Hugo bars. Juicing, vitamin C, your stuffy head get loosened. Suck your deck, just a what pipe be producing. I know who's set, just so I know that you're losing. Align with the hated, every second you alive, frustrated. I say 3 knocks, you debated, now you roll with the state of decayedness. And as I spray this, you're pushed from player to the playlist. Head first to a state of decayedness. No longer a player, just another on the played list. Another on the played list. Six of your niggas in the bottle of rum. Open their mouths and my brain went numb for a second. No stamina on they weapon. Slurring the first line, drooling on the second. I wasn't in the mood to take cash. Sometimes it's the principle of it that you got to whip ass. Hit fast, the first nigga like Ali in the jungle. Nigga spoke so low, I called him Mr. Mumble. Ironically, his partner was this loud motherfucker. Inflated the ego, couldn't listen, couldn't let you spit that. My lines clean as noggin like Evercat. Shellac nights, porn to Brooks, where the king at? What was lacking was the raw competition. Brothers with lines able to crush ambition. I peeped the mission from the shit they were dishing at me. Slaves to the methods of debauchery, but they so strung even that wasn't properly done. Slap them like biscuits at dinner bun. See how I'm living, the taking and the giving. Them hellfire bitches got you locked like prison. Now I'm in your ward, better hit record every time we drop. It's like the home team scored.